Hi guys, it's almost about 11:05 a.m. 11:05 a.m. in the morning. So guess what? Today I'm going for the launch for the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So it's going to happen in Adyar store today. So I'm just going to go for it, and the launch is around 12 p.m. in the afternoon, but however I just wanted to go earlier so that I could go ahead and socialize with some of my friends who's over there, and then we'll go ahead and see the launch, and also check out this video for the Royal Enfield Meteor 350.
We wanted to create a progression, an evolution from the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird and cruising has been part of Royal Enfield's heritage for a long time now. The Meteor is the next generation, really. It's the next step on from that. So brand new engine, brand new chassis. It's a ground up piece of design.
When you step on it, you are welcomed by a nice view in the front. And I think that's very important.
And when you ride this back to back with the Thunderbird, you just feel it's just moved on another generation.
It's a high torque engine, it's a signature engine sound, a very signature exhaust note.
The new engine has a spread of an extra 1,000 RPM.
In addition to all 350 engine, the high RPM, no vibration, and it's much comfortable to maintain high speed.
You get that really good front end feel from the bike. The way it handles, it feels like a roadster.
Here we wanted to have a rake angle which is optimized both for the long distance riding as well as for the city commute. The new frame, this is a ground up, brand new design, there's nothing carryover.
As far as the chassis itself goes, again, lots of effort to give you a bike that is, responsive and enjoyable to ride, but feels secure, solid.
Mass customization is one of the unique customer-centric program. Through this program, we are going to provide a lot of unique personalized options for the customer to configure their own motorcycle.
This is our Royal Enfield Tripper Pod, and what it does is it displays your turn-by-turn directions in a really simple, intuitive way.
We've done testing all over the world. We've done testing here in the UK, in Spain, and then obviously in India. And the result is a motorcycle that is really great fun to ride and very easy to ride. It's a very compliant motorcycle. You can jump on it and just feel at home straight away.
So you've got that classic look and feel, the sound we worked so hard to get. Riding it is, you can't really see it on the spec sheet. You've got to try it.
It's really about capturing the essence of what that long distance Royal Enfield cruising is all about, that easy cruising.
Hi guys, I'm just starting off to the Royal Enfield storeroom right now. So I'll be going in my car right now. So I guess you have seen the introduction to the Royal Enfield Meteor video. So that explains more about the bike and the way they designed it, and all those things will be seen you would have seen it in that video. But however, I will even try to show more about the spec sheets of the Royal Enfield.
got so far.
So hi everyone. We have two clubs here. One is Galimenters and another one is 102 Souls. They are riding 650 tins and they are all Royal Enfield models. So we will ask them to reveal the Meteor, all new Meteor 350. I'm really excited to
Hi guys, this is the spec sheet of the Meteor 350 from Royal Enfield. So it has got a new engine which is developed from the Interceptor. So the Interceptor has twin cylinders, and however this engine has a single cylinder. It's a 349cc, the same as the previous. The engine capacity, everything remains the same as per the previous generation, where it's a 349cc single cylinder 4-stroke oil cooled, and the maximum power is about 20.2. so however there is slight change because the previous generation had 19.7 horsepower, and however it was like 1000 rpm lesser than the current one, where currently you get about 6100 rpm, and the previous gen was like 5000 rpm, to be precise, 5500 rpm, somewhere over there. And that's the difference, where they had worked on the new shaft, where it reduces the vibrations on the engine, which is the engine, they worked on this balancer shaft, to be precise, so in which it reduces the vibrations while running the vehicle. So you can while riding the vehicle, you can actually feel the difference where the vibration is almost minimal, and however there would be a slightly light vibration, very light vibration, but however you wouldn't feel the kind of vibration which you had in the previous generation in this new bike. And as usual, it is almost the same as the previous Thunderbird. 15 liters of tank, electronic fuel injection, 5-speed gearbox, and all those things still remains the same. So the chassis is a new type of chassis which has been designed from Royal Enfield, and it is designed in a way that it gives you very good comfort while going for a long drive, and also in city drives also is pretty good, as the footrest is a little bit on the forward side, so that it's almost like while riding you'll feel like you're stretching your legs a little bit, so that you'll be comfortable while riding it for over like kilometers, thousands of kilometers, or even more than hundreds or thousands of kilometers, to be precise. And the tire size is almost about 19 inches is the wheel size for the front one, so that's actually pretty good for the front one. And the rear, you have a 140 millimeter tire with 17 inches, which is also tubeless, and it's all this Meteors, all the models in Meteor do have alloy wheels, so it's all tubeless, so you don't need to be worried about punches and all those things. And even the front disc brake is almost about 300 millimeters, which is almost as big as the Interceptor, to be precise. And the rear also has 270 millimeters rear brake, and the front suspension is also 41 millimeters with 130 millimeter travel, so that's also good. During your long drives, the suspension, since it's long, even though there are some potholes, it would easily go ahead and maneuver over all those potholes. And even the rear suspension is also good, where it has a twin tube emulsion shock absorber with 6 steps adjustable preload, so that it gives you a comfortable ride. So as you see over there on the right hand side of the dial, you still have a navigation over there, navigation tripper. So this device is connected via GPS, so that if you have the Royal Enfield app, and there's an option for over there where you see the maps, so once if you set the location, it would show you the directions in the way where it'll tell you if it's a left, right, straight, or a U-turn, or something like that, to be precise. So that's it, folks. Do let me know about how you think about the Meteor 350, but however, once if I get the first ride from Royal Enfield for the Meteor 350, I will definitely go ahead and check that up, and I will also post another video about that, about how the experience is while driving the Royal Enfield Meteor 350.